Hello everybody, welcome to 95 Scooter Guy, and in today's video I'll be showing you a 15-year-old Kymco scooter. It's called the SR Trend 125. It was manufactured in 2007 and it was initially designed for the Indonesian market, but somehow it found its way down to Nigeria where I purchased it used, and ever since I've been using it. Looking closely at the bike, it initially comes with disc brake in front and drum brakes at the back. It also comes in 10-inch wheels, which I feel personally a little small, but it does the job nicely. One of the added advantage of the bike is the addition of the manual kickstart, and that's been very useful, especially when riding. It comes with one swing suspension at the back, which is pretty stiff and does the job well. This bike initially ships with halogen bulbs, but some of them have been swiped out for LED. Looking at the back tire there, it's still a 10-inch rim using the drum brake system, stock exhaust still on it with the oil cap there. It takes about 0.8 liters of motor oil. The front there houses a pocket for storage, which I put my phone in at time, and the dash is fully analog and the navigation is clean, analog, and it's pretty simple. You can see the automatic starter there with the brakes, and that's that for the 15-year-old scooter. And for more videos, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.